To redeem an Ulta gift card, start by accessing the Ulta Beauty online shopping store through a web browser, such as Google Chrome, and navigate to their website. If you haven't already, create an account or sign in using your existing login credentials by clicking on the Join or Sign In option at the top of the page. Once logged in, browse through the available products. Select the ones you'd like to purchase and add them to your cart. During the checkout process, choose the Redeem Gift Card option as your payment method. You will then be prompted to enter the gift card number and PIN, which can be found on the back of the card. After entering this information, click the Apply option. The order amount will be deducted from the gift card's value, completing the redemption process. This simple method allows you to easily use your Ulta gift card to make purchases on their online store.